Doctors? Felipe's a nurse. Special care provider. Me? Custodian. What about the rest of your crew? These vatos trickle in to check on their parents, their grandparents. They see how things are and what's decided to stay. It's a good thing, too. We need the muscle. The people we've encountered since things fell apart, the worst kind. Plunderers. Kind they take by force. That's not who we are. How was I to know? My people got attacked and we showed up with the jail hostage. The parents. Guess the world changed. No. It's the same as it ever was. That we get taken. So we do what we can. The vatos work on those cars. Talk about getting the old people out of the city. Most can't even get to the bathroom by themselves, so that's just a dream. Still, it keeps the crew busy. It's worth something. So we bar all the windows, welded all the doors shut, except one entrance.
Silly cat.
Vatos, they go out. 7 what they can to keep us going. We watch the perimeter night and day, and we wait. The people here, they all look at me now. I don't even know why. Because they can.
Silly cat.
Minute. When we came back to Atlanta for the hat, don't tell anybody. We've given away half our guns and ammo. Not nearly half. So what? So far, it's gonna die momentarily anyhow.